Hello and welcome to the video. This is a quick video about this thing here. This is from the team at Darwin FPV. Now normally when I talk about Darwin FPV, I'm talking about their cool little quadcopters, and they make some great little drones that aren't going to break the bank. However, this is a slightly interesting little product because what it is a hard case that inside of which you can put an DJI O3 Air unit, and it's going to be protected from the elements. Now it's held together by a number of screws. So if I just take the last couple of screws out, there's 4 in total for this thing. Then you can kind of crack it open and you can see what's going on in here. And what they've done is this is actually a metal case. It's designed so that that cable plugs into the actual air unit itself. The camera goes in here, and then you have a seal, so it's actually waterproof. You also have heat transferring material which sandwiches the air unit, and then the entire case, which is made of metal, becomes a heatsink, and the camera looks out the top. We have a mount here at the bottom, so it turns it essentially into kind of action camera, and you also have a port here so that you can access the USB stuff too. Hopefully that camera's picking it up with it all being very dark things. Now this is a really interesting little product because not only does it mean that you can basically make an O3 Air unit pretty much indestructible, which is not a bad idea because they cost a fortune. It also feels like it's playing into something that I've been thinking about, and this is the reason why I got this in, to have a quick look at it. Now, when I looked at the Parvo drone a couple of weeks ago now, this is the Beta FPV Parvo Pico, which is the version that has like a Whoop style body, and then the stuff at the top is separate. What I really like the idea of is, okay, well, can we not have some kind of pod that you could put a DJI or a Walksnail or a HD0 thing into and have that pod go to different places? So rather than have to have one system for every quadcopter, for every plane, you could kind of just take it off and clip it into place, and then the cable would be made off and everything would work. And then I got this action camera here in a little while ago. This is a slightly weird looking little chap, but this is the SJ Cam 300. I actually quite like this. It's not great 4K footage, but actually it's a very versatile little camera, and it actually works really nicely on top of a quad. Originally, I thought it was going to be a bit of a weird thing and a bit pointless, but actually it's great because when you're not using it, you just kind of fold it down and it's kind of out the way. And what this piece of kit here from Darwin FPV does is kind of turns your O3 Air unit into exactly that. Now, unfortunately, it kind of doesn't work for exactly what I was hoping it would be. A couple of reasons. First of all is the lens is obviously designed to look out the front, so then absolutely it's going to mount on the front of your quadcopter in a similar way to the SJ Cam S300 that I have here. And that's kind of useful, but actually it would have been great to have a lens option so you could mount the camera looking up or looking out here, and then we could have had a flat version that would have gone nicely on the front of larger fixed wing models as well. It's also waterproof, so it does mean that if you did accidentally kind of submerge the thing, then you know what, you've got a chance of it not being completely ruined straight away. I think we are getting very close with equipment like this to what I'm really after, which is some kind of way that you can create a cage or a protective cover for those HD systems. All we're missing is an easy quick release system for a cable, and then a nice easy quick release way that you can kind of clip it into position on top of the model that you want to fit it to. I think the person that finally makes that system and makes it cheap and easy to use is going to sell an awful lot of them. The cost that we're having to shell out at the moment if you're a HD pilot for individual HD systems means that stuff like this, where you can ruggedize equipment, is very handy, but actually having it so that it's easy to move from model to model is also going to be worth its weight in gold. So if you are watching this Darwin FPV, don't give us a cable like this. give us a cable where it's easy to have a connector in the middle, so you could have an easier way to move this from model to model. Thank you for watching the video. If you watch my videos and find them useful, then please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe button. It helps the channel a lot. If you really like what I'm doing here, you can become a Patreon and support the time I spend helping others and get access to lots of exclusive benefits. Link is in the video description. Remember that all the videos on the channel are organized into playlists, so you can easily use those playlists to find all the videos on a subject that you are interested in. Add Painless 360 to your searches on Google and YouTube, and it'll help you find my content for any particular topic. Thanks again for watching, and as always, happy flying.